Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In our today's video, we will learn about size of operator in C. It is one of the unary operator from our previous video. It is used to find the size of the data types. Let's see this with an example. In the VS Code, I am creating a C program named sizeof.c. I am including the header file stdio.h. Next, I am creating the main function. And then now I am going to declare variables for all the data types in C. First, I am declaring an integer variable a, and then a float variable f, next a double variable d, and then a character variable c, next a long variable la, and then a long double ld. Now we are going to print size of these variables in the output. To do so, I am adding an printf statement. In the printf, I am going to use %zu as the escape sequence. And I am using size of operator to get the size of the integer variable a. I am going to do this for all the data types. Let us copy paste the first printf and then change it respectively for other data types. You can see that I am using the same %zu as the escape sequence for all the data types because it is specific to the size of operator, not specific to the data types. And can you remember we have used limits.h header file to get min and max size of the data types in our data type modifier video? Kindly check our channel if you missed that video. Now here the size of operator will return the size of the data types in bytes. The size of operator will be very useful when we use dynamic memory allocation in C. We will see that in our future program. Let's save the program now. To compile it, in the terminal, type gcc space sizeof.c and then hit enter. And to run the program, type ./a.exe then hit enter. Now the output displayed size of all the data types we have declared. The output size may differ based on your system. It will change system to system and OS to OS. Please try it in your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to the channel.